we've got markets moving pre-market and then after the market opened so far this morning. Why? Well, as you know, if you watch the Schwab Network, you know that I'm a big fan of news flows and articles and things people read, how they affect traders and investors. So not only did you have Palantir's earnings out, the stock selling off after that high profile name, but you also had CEOs of Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, David Solomon and Ted Pick, talking in Hong Kong, looking for some type of a correction, 10 to 20% in the next 1 to 2 years. That's a silly statement because there's always a chance of a correction in the next 1 to 2 years. That said, there's other things like the IMF and Jerome Powell and Andrew Bailey from the Bank of England all talking about valuations, and they're not wrong. Valuations are stretched on the upside. Before we opened today's trading, the S&P 500 was 3% above its 50-day moving average and 10.7% above its 200-day moving average. Now, what else? You got the Japan Nikkei 225, South Korea, both hitting fresh all-time highs. Shanghai at its highest level in a decade. You've also got overall people talking about, as we get through the large cap tech part of earnings, people are looking past that. Remember, you've got NVIDIA coming up now in 15 days, so November 19th. There's news out today about shorts in NVIDIA and Palantir that were kind of high profile so far this morning. But here's the counter. As of September 2025, the end of September, there's $7.7 trillion in cash currently on the sidelines. Now, that cash, some of it is in money market funds, some of it is in investment funds that can't be easily put into the market. But remember, as interest rates go lower, yields on bonds get worse and dividend yields on stocks get better. So lower interest rates favor stocks. There's the interesting. Let's see if that 7.7 trillion moves at all over the next coming months.